Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. So today we will be studying another type of a pattern, which is a fill pattern. Uh, so how it works? Okay, and just create some shape. Mm, 5 will be okay. 5 man. Okay. Now in a fill pattern, you don't need to create. Sorry, you don't need to create any sketch. You just go to patterns in a feature and select a fill pattern. You need to select some boundary like this, and here you need to select any if you want something at the edge, or if you want anything like for example, if you have some sketch here, you can select a sketch here. And also if you have some selected feature, mean that if you have some feature here, for example, if I uh, create an extrude cut, will come here. Okay, just draw something. Just draw something. I want um, for example, I want this rectangle here and extrude cut it. Okay, I want it through all. Done. Now, and also I would love to create some axis here, or a reference line here, not an axis. Okay, and now go to go to patterns and there, exit the sketch, and now go to pattern, fill pattern, and I want this face and this edge I have selected, and in a feature I want this extrude feature, extrude cut feature. Okay, so here is my normal, and now here are my pattern that I wanted to create. So okay, there are some other types. The first one is perforation, circular, square, or polygon. For example, I want a square, or a circular, or a polygon. Perforation is okay, and there is spacing. For example, I want this, and if I select clear the selection, if I select this sketch here, it's more good. Okay, so there is my fill pattern that I have created. You can create a mesh grill or something like that by using this fill pattern. Okay, now you can also create your own pattern. For example, if I delete this one, and now I go to pattern here, fill pattern, and select this face, normal first. Okay, select this face and not an edge, but I want this linear sketch, and here create seed cut. So I have different shapes here, a circular, something like a square, or this kind of square, or polygon that I want, any shape of a polygon. For example, I want pentagon here. Here's my pentagon. Or if I want octagon like this, you can create any shape here. Okay, I'm just creating this one, and here are the spacing. I want to reduce the spacing to 10, for example. Yeah, so 10 millimeter is good. Okay, or maybe 8 millimeters. Yeah, that's more. It will take some time. This is how you can use, and these are your layouts, pattern layouts that you can create. Okay, rebuild error just because I will tell you why it's giving me a rebuild error. It was because they were too much crowded together, and maybe um, some of them intersect with each other. Okay, again select this face and seed cut, and again this one, or 9 this time, because 8 is already not here. I'll select this now. They're not, because some of them are still. Yeah, it's good. That's good. Now this is the pattern, the fill pattern, that this is how you can use it. But still, you have more options in it. For example, edit the feature. If you want to change the pattern of it, layout of it. For example, I want this a circular layout, and I want to give spacing of 8, not 8, but 9, or maybe some 10, like this. Okay, so this is how your pattern will be created. Or if you want a square pattern, or if you want something like a polygon, now here it is. There are different shapes that you want to create. Okay, I will create this one this time. And yeah, now if you want to skip some instances here, there are a lot of instances. um, and these are the important. If you want to change the dimension of your shape, for example, this is my this shape. So if you want to change it, you can change it from here as well. Like this is the dimension of the, or the length of this side, like this, and this is the length of a diagonal of them. Okay, select fill pattern, and here is my pattern. I hope you'd like it. Please like and share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.